So I just woke up and I had no clue there was a solar eclipse. So I can't tell if you can see it from here because I can't see what I'm looking at in the camera right now. I have my solar eclipse glasses on from my university a few years ago. Hopefully you can see it. Let me try to zoom in more. I'm using my camera phone. So I can't tell where I'm aiming at, so let me move it some. Let me see something. Wait, if I look just above, yeah. Okay, there it is. I have it. I'm not looking directly at it. I have my solar eclipse glasses on. I'm just sort of looking downward right now. But knowing that I have the phone above me right now. But yeah, I didn't know an eclipse was going on. I just woke up. I'm like, the sun is like not as bright. Get a few clips here. Just recording with my phone at full zoom.